Welcome to Reliable Hire's quick hitch tutorial for excavators. In this guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to safely switch attachments on your excavator. First, start your machine and engage the safety bar located near your armrest. This ensures secure operation. Next, locate the hitch lock switch and turn it off. Using the right joystick, crowd the hitch in until it's in a vertical position. Then, using the left-hand joystick, engage the top button to release the hitch slide. You'll see the front tongue release and feel the attachment disconnect. Please note, you'll need to maintain pressure on the top left-hand button for the duration of your attachment swap. If you release pressure, the hitch slide will return to its fixed position. If removing an attachment, gently place it on the ground or a stable surface before crowding your hitch out. Now let's attach a new bucket or attachment. Lower the hitch over the front pin, then crowd in until the attachment is lifted. Continue crowding in until the hitch is vertical. Then, turn the hitch lock switch back on to secure it. To confirm the attachment is secure, crowd the attachment back out and check that it's locked in place. And that's it. You're ready to get to work. Happy excavatoring!